A new indictment today against a Lancaster woman and her boyfriend accused of torturing and killing her son. CBS 2's Dave Lopez is live in downtown LA where the charges were unveiled today. Dave.
Pat, it's a horrendous case, very similar to what happened a little over a year and a half ago to a different boy. This one involves Anthony Avalos. He's 10 years old. His mother and her boyfriend were indicted by a grand jury. It was a secret indictment that was unsealed today. We will not get all of the details because the transcripts will be not released to the public for at least 10 more days. But the bottom line is it tells a story of torture of a little boy who will never get a chance to grow up.
Today's his favorite day, Halloween. He should be celebrating at school. We just miss him so much.
But today, instead of seeing 10-year-old Anthony Avalos in his Halloween costume, doing what all 10-year-olds would do on this night, the aunt had to sit in a courtroom and listen as a grand jury indictment was unsealed against Anthony's mother, Heather Barron, and her boyfriend, Kareem Leva, each charged with murder, torture, and also mistreating two other siblings in the Avalos family.
This was a test run for the district attorney's office. They took in a lot of evidence.
Grand jury proceedings are secret, but we have been told that the grand jury listened to 57 different witnesses over a period of not quite 2 weeks before returning the indictment of murder and torture and the charges involving the two other siblings. And the district attorney, not wanting to go on camera, did confirm that the death penalty for both defendants is an option.
Are you expecting the death penalty in this case?
I don't know. I mean, just based on some of the other cases that you all are aware of that have been prosecuted recently, especially by Mr. Atami, I would suspect we're looking at that.
The attorney for Leva, the boyfriend of Anthony's mother. Neither Leva nor Miss Barron said anything in court. Their attorneys entered a not guilty plea. The facts of this case are brutal. They are accused of torturing this little 10-year-old boy for years, pouring hot sauce on his face, forcing him to kneel on rice, lashing the bottom of his feet with a belt, and holding him upside down and dropping him on his head. He died last June.
I know he's looking down on us right now and smiling because he knows that justice is coming.
The indictment means there will be no preliminary hearing. It'll go straight to trial. The next court date is December 3rd. Trial is expected to begin sometime in January. The DA must make a decision on the death penalty before that. One other quick note, it's very similar to what happened to little Gabriel Fernandez, that famous case where he also was tortured before he died. His father, his mother's boyfriend was given the death penalty. The mother was given life in prison after she made a plea bargain. Very similar cases. Testimony expected to be as very brutal as the other one was. Testimony that once you hear it, you wish you hadn't. Reporting live from downtown Los Angeles, Dave Lopez, CBS 2 News.